Alright guys, Greenbird here. I have a box here that I got from Mr. TenBears, Mr. Dave TenBears, and I've been hanging on to it for a little while just because I've been a little bit preoccupied, but I can't wait to see what's inside it. I know what's in there, but if I know Dave, he always sneaks a couple of surprises. So he had sent me some points to wire wrap, and one that he wants back, which is really cool. I know most of what's in here. Oh yeah, look at that. Warning, this product contains nicotine. I don't know what this is. Use originals. Rich tobacco. Well, I don't smoke, so I'm guessing he put something else in here other than... Yeah, oh yeah, this is the blue glass point that he wants back. Wow, look at that. Look at that point. See if I can keep from dropping it. Beautiful. Nice and thin. Boy, gorgeous notches. Looks to me, can't tell, it looks like there's like some wispiness in that glass, kind of going at an angle. Maybe I'll try and get a shot in the sun. Well, there's not a lot of sun right now, but nope, I don't know if you heard that. There was just a tree that fell over in the background. Yeah, so I'm not sure. Dave, tell me what glass this is made out of, because I can tell there's definitely a diagonal wisp to it. And you did ask me to do something with this and get it back to you, and I will do that. Beautiful. And these right here. Hair pipe beads. Thanks, Dave. I'll do something fun with these. I think what I'll do is I'll wrap those in the bubble wrap. And here are the points that he sent. Oh boy, there's a bunch in here too. I'm shocked that they made it here in one piece, Dave. Alright. I'm gonna line these up and then I'll get the camera. We'll get a good close-up of all of them. Wow, these are some beauties. Look how thin these are. He is definitely a master at what he does. I've tried the indirect, and I'm still trying it. I just can't seem to get it. Look at this one, paper thin. Some of these are so thin, it's like they're a one-time use. I like this one. I like the ones with the little fishtails. This kind of looks like a harden of some sort. You know, sort of harden-esque, I guess. Super thin. I know what this is. This is, it's escaping my mind right now, but it's the petrified wood from North Dakota. It'll come to me in a second. Look at that. Beautiful piece. Alright, so these are all beautiful. I could put them all up there and spend all day doing that. I'm not going to do that. Whoop. This one lost the tip. Maybe I'll touch that one up, Dave. Some good mahogany obsidian. I bet this is TV glass. I'm probably going to die just from touching it. That's a joke, Dave. I give Dave a hard time for knapping TV glass because it does have some chemicals in there. But you know what? We're all going to die at some point anyway, so why not have some fun before it happens? Look at this. This is a piece of Flint Ridge right here, I bet. Beautiful piece. Beautiful piece. Look at those serrated edges too. I'm not sure if this is Keokuk or Ridge, but with that piece of quartz in there, I'm guessing that's Flint Ridge, but it could be Keokuk. There's some dacite in here, or dacite, however you choose to pronounce it. This, I believe, is going to be Georgetown. Look how thin that is. Super thin. Man, crazy thin. You sent these to me to wire wrap, but I think some of these I might put on arrows, you know, for display. Let's see what else we have here. Obviously some obsidian. Boy, I'm just brain farting on this this petrified wood, which is ironic because I just bought a ton of it because you never know when it's going to be available. It's one of those things. More Georgetown. This is definitely Keokuk. I can tell by the way that looks. So let's get the camera over here. Get some good pictures. Some nice close-ups here. More Georgetown, obsidian, mahogany obsidian, Keokuk. I'm guessing both of those white ones are Keokuk. Probably Flint Ridge on those other two. More Georgetown. This guy who's just teasing me right now. Keokuk, obsidian, Flint Ridge, more obsidian, more Flint Ridge, more obsidian. Just some real nice points. Real nice points. Look at this one. That's a nice piece of Flint Ridge right there. It's got the yellows, the oranges in there. That's pretty cool. Well, thank you, Dave. I will make very good use of these. I'll get that blue one back to you pretty soon. All right, so here we are. Here's the collection. I will be wire wrapping these or putting some of them on arrows. If anybody has any interest in any of these, get them while you can. I hope everybody's doing awesome, staying safe, enjoying the weather. Everybody peace out. Talk to you later.